All right, this is T-Shirt Tuesday, and we're in Essential Elements, page number 9. We are looking at the first three notes on the first string, E, F, and G. They are shown in three different ways on page 9. The first is a grid, like a chord would be shown. It's as if the guitar were looking at you just like that. So the vertical lines going up and down are the strings, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the nut is darker, and the strings going this way, so the frets are going that way. 1, 2, 3, okay, right. You also have a picture. And also you have the note in the treble clef, so that is where the note rests. So the first thing we're going to do is play the first string, no fingers, and that's an E. First string, one string. The first string, open, no fingers, E. And it sets in the space. If you look at the picture, the note is in the space. That's an E. All right, I'll give you an A on that E. Now, the second note is going to be the first finger on that first string, first fret. And that is an F. First string, first finger, first fret. And if you look at the treble clef, that note sets on the line. It's on the line. F. So the E is in the space. The F is on the line. Now we're going to go to the third fret with our third finger. This is a G, and it sets above all the lines and spaces. So the E sets in the top space, the F on the top line, and the G above all lines and spaces. E, F, G. Now, this is just like multiplication tables. 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 7 is 35, etc., etc. 8 times 5 is 40. Rote memory, go over and over and over, and then you just have it. So, I'm going to look at the guitar because this is how you should play it. Place the pick on the string. Don't have it up. Mine's on the string. It's right on it. And I'm going to be ready to play the F and G, but I'm going to play the E first and say E, then F, then G, then pause, open, E, first finger, F, third finger, G, pause, E, F, G. All right, here we go. Number 10, whole notes. We will strike the note on beat 1 and let it ring for 2, 3, 4. The first note is an E. It would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then something else would happen. So we're going to do this first line 2 times. These are quarter notes, so let them ring out. Count the preparatory with me, and then count each measure. 1, 2, E, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. I said 2 times, but I want to stop and say this. What I'm doing is I'm calling out the new note on beat 1. E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, like that. Okay? All right, let's go to number 11. The difference here is we're playing half notes. A half note, if it starts on 1, it'll last beat 1 and 2. 1, 2. That's a half note. So the way they have this written, they have 2 of the same notes in each measure. If you'll notice the numbers underneath the notes, we strike that first measure E on 1, 2, and then on 3, 4. Then we go to the F, the second measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see where the number lines up right under the stem of the note. Now the only odd measure is the next to the last one. We only play 1 G, which is above everything, half note, and then an F, which sets on that top line, half note, and then an E in the top space, For 4 notes, it's a whole note. So let's do number 11. Please count the preparatory beats and every beat in this exercise. 1, 2, E, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, G again, 1, 2, F, 3, 4, and E. We're going to go back and play it again. Ready, and E2, E4, F2, F4, G2, G4, G2, F4, and E. 2, 3, 4, and off. Great. So now we're going to do number 12, quarter notes. The quarter notes is every beat. Every beat. There's the 4 beats. Now they throw us a curve in measure 3. They only do 2 G's, which is on top of everything, 2 F's, which is on the line, and then it goes to 2 quarter notes and a half note of E, which is in the top space. We are definitely going to play this one twice. Ready? Count the preparatory and then count the whole song. 1, 2, here we go. E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, F, 4, E, 2, 3, repeat. E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, F, 4, and E, 2, 3, 4. Off. All right. Good.